80 years ago, India began a new journey. A journey built on courage, determination, and the dreams of millions. From building a young nation to building one of the world's most dynamic digital economies. Today, technology is transforming how India works, connects, and grows.
At Amritha, we believe technology is not just about building software. It's about creating opportunities, empowering businesses, and shaping tomorrow.
The India of tomorrow belongs to those who dream, create, and build today. And we are proud to be part of India's journey towards a smarter, stronger, and more digital future.